What's going on, guys? Alright, so check it out. We are here on the job. Bossman's here. Talking, so don't mind them talking in the back. But we gotta fix a tile job. So check this out. So we'll come through. Don't mind the dog, he's supervising. Okay. I'll show you what happened here. So you can't really see much going on. See if I can find the spot over here. Here we go. Alright. So you see the floor. Watch as I come down. See that? That's what we gotta fix today. What caused this?
What caused it? Is improper sealing, using the wrong sealers. The floor had been sealed before, and then they didn't check compatibility with their seal. And then not only that, they got it on the tile and could not get it off.
This was that oil-based dull seal, wasn't it? Something like that.
There's something that this contractor got off the shelf at one of the stone stores.
Yeah, it's a very tricky one because when you look at it without the proper lighting, and you're looking like straight down on it, you don't see much anything going on. But say you come across the room from the front door, and then boom, you get that everywhere. So you can kind of see.
You know, today we have bad lighting because it's raining and stuff, but that stuff you see on the tile is what we have to get off, and we're going to be stripping and we test several different things when we were here last week, and it looks like it's all going to be hand work.
Yeah, that's unfortunate, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So we're going to be going through by hand. Let's see what we got over here. So what do you think about your floor? You like it?
Not now.
Not now? Alright. Here, let's get some other shots to kind of see what's going on here.
We're going to see if we can get this fixed up. So let me go out here and bring the stuff in.
Okay, sounds good. I'm going to kind of go through real quick and just show what's going on. But yeah, look. See? Look at all that we got to work on. These guys come in here and put this, looks like an oil-based sealer, which is always a no-no for sealing grout. You can use a solvent base, you can use a water base, silicone, Teflon, whatever, but they used some kind of coconut oil. It's also got a secondary function of dulling. So if you got like a shiny tile you want to make dull, you put this stuff on there. And obviously, it does what it's supposed to do. Unfortunately, it's not really for this. So, yeah, we'll come back when we're all finished up, and I'll show you guys these same spots. So we can see what's going on with it and get you a better idea. But it's a tricky one, though, right? So check this out. If you come across the floor, it's not too noticeable. You see a couple spots if you look for them. Kind of like right there. But yeah, once we get it all done, I'll shoot another video and show you guys kind of some of those same areas there where we got it off. Alright, till probably later today. Till then.